Hi, this is Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today's vehicle for sale is a 2022 Honda Accord Hybrid. This comes in a white exterior, and we've got a black interior. Driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. This is the hybrid sport model. We do have a push button ignition. Since it is a hybrid, it is whisper quiet, so you can't even tell that the vehicle's been started. We're currently looking at 7,761 for miles. And here is our touchscreen display. Currently on the home screen, you've got all your various, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. We've got radio here. Here is backup camera. Below your display, you've got climate controls here. And we have our shifter, which is very unique to the newer Hondas. You've also got a little space here for a cell phone and some USB connections, cup holder, and another quick look at that steering wheel. Then we'll hop out and take a look at the rest of the vehicle. So we've got rear seats here next. And quick peek up at the front of the vehicle again. Coming around to the back, we've got our Honda Accord Hybrid Sport badging. And the trunk. Now, if you're interested in this 2022 Honda Accord Hybrid Sport or any of the other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just reach out to us on our website. Schedule a test drive, set up an appointment with one of our sales consultants to walk through the features of these vehicles. You can reach us at feldmannimports.com.